In today's video, we have 72 hours to finish a bathroom, and we're about to do that right now. Here's the before. Okay, guys. So this is an old fiberglass system. It wraps all the way around this area here. So this is all coming out. We're gonna have to do some reframing. We're gonna have to do some plumbing. This drain seems to be much higher off of this floor here. So we may even have to jackhammer and get this drain down below. So got a lot of work ahead of us here today. All right, guys, so this vanity is gonna be completely demoed and removed. We're gonna actually match the Onyx in the shower, and we're gonna do an Onyx countertop. So it's gonna look really, really nice. Now, what's really interesting about these homes, this plumbing here is above ground. This is why this shower threshold is so high. So this is going to be really interesting once we demo and expose the plumbing. All right, so one of our signatures that most bathroom remodel companies don't do is we do go through the extra mile of protecting everything using thick drop cloths. And then on the outside, as we're coming in and out with all of this dusty material, we're also setting up a HEPA air scrubber machine that catches all the particulates, keeping your indoor air quality super clean. All right, one thing to always consider is making sure that the vents are completely covered. You just don't want any dust in particular that's going into your air conditioning. So we've completed the demolition, and you can see this plumbing right here. It's coming right inside of this concrete foundation. And you can see that the drain for the shower is above this concrete. And they actually took a bucket, recessed it in to allow and accommodate the P-trap. So now what we're gonna have to do to install our custom Onyx shower pan is we're gonna have to build a wall to fit that pan and jackhammer this up, put in this Santee lower so we can tie into the shower drain. So we've got some work to do here. Okay, so this is the Onyx shower pan. You can see it's just a solid piece of material. Again, non-porous. This is their new color. It's called Alaska. What I like about it is it's just a nice light color, but it looks very custom. So this is a really, really good choice when you're doing a bathroom remodel, especially a shower. You want to add some contrast, keep it light, it's gonna make the shower look bigger. So this is a really good choice here to consider. The other great thing about these Onyx shower pans is that the slope to the drain is phenomenal. So you're never gonna have any standing water. It doesn't feel like plastic, it's solid material. Unlike a bunch of grout, tile, or even natural stone, it's just really nice non-slip texture without all the maintenance.
The P-trap will be all that.
Yeah.
Like the P-trap has a 90 connected to it, the P-trap, and come right up.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, pretty simple. Pretty straightforward, actually. And then he was wondering the same thing. James was like, where's the water drain? Like, I was like, down here. See, that's how they had it before. They had a P-trap.
Yeah. That's why
and we're going to do the same thing. It's just we're kind of blessed right here a little bit because once I cut this right here, I'll be able to hook my new P-trap, just jackhammer this little U out.
Got it.
And then he's going to jackhammer this stupid thing out too. So we have to go another foot down, and we have to go another 10 inches back in order for this pan to fit. The pipe down there, he needs to go another 6 inches and dig underneath of the concrete so we can cut it and then put our P-trap in.
So what we've done here is we've exposed our P-trap. We've taken out the old one. We've made our connection sizes to the proper dimension that we need for our new pan. And what we're going to do now is glue up all of our new P-trap and parts and connect them to the existing waistline.
So after doing the super tack, this is the first panel up, which is the back wall. And what I do is I leave a 1/4 inch at the top, for then I can slide my top panel into that crevice. Okay, now this is the side panel. As you see, you want to make a little leg down there. You want to make sure that the top edge right here matches the ceiling panel. And you're allowed anywhere from an 1/8, but no more than a 1/4 gap, because then you have too much. So this is the side wall, which is also known as the plumbing wall. So I cut these holes with hole saws, Milwaukee hole saws, and then ceiling panel. And then the next panel we're gonna do, which we call the wet wall. So with the recessed caddies, as you see right here on the picture, they give you a template. And so once you find out wherever the homeowner likes placement, then you template it out, and then you use a grinder to cut it out. So after you cut the hole, then you place and you tape and you put the silicone on, and you're good to go.
All right, as you can see here, we also removed the vanity here. So we're going to be putting in a brand new Onyx countertop as well.
So we put the drop 90 on, as you see right here. And now we're going to be putting on the slide bar, which is going to go right next to it. And it screws right to the studs, which I already have marked. And that's it.
All right, guys, come on in here. The guys did a fabulous job. We've got the 3 walls up. Got the safety bars going on. Got the ceiling panel up. Handheld spray here with the slide bar. So we're going to put the trim on right now. So it's looking really, really good. So what's your thoughts on the after here?
I'm very impressed with the tradesmanship and the quality of their workmanship. They're doing a great job.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it looks great. Big transformation for sure.
Oh yes, it's day and night.
All right, guys, as you can see there, the client was very, very happy with the bathroom remodel. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear what your comments would be. Hit that subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.